is their exact alignment of 180 degrees during the eclipses. As we know, the solar eclipse happens when the moon is exactly between the sun and the earth, and the lunar eclipse happens when the moon is in the shadow of the earth. The fact that this is a shadow play, a game of shadow and light, it requires that they have to be aligned, which means the angle between the three objects will be 180 degrees. For example, when the angle when this angle is 180 degrees, we have the solar eclipse, and when this angle is 180 degrees, we have the lunar eclipse. It, in other words, means that they have to be exactly in a straight line, which may not be true because of their finite angular sizes. Let us understand how the eclipses happen. Here, this is the plane of the Earth's orbit, which is called the ecliptic plane, and this is the plane of the Moon's orbit, and you see that the angle between them is 5 degrees. At, along this line, the two orbits intersect. This is called the line of nodes, and this is the ascending node, this is the descending node. That means the Moon moves like this from below the plane and then reaches the plane of the ecliptic here and then goes above the plane here. Let us consider the month which is indicated as February here. This is the direction of the sun and the moon is here. This is the new moon. But it is far from the node, so there is no possibility of an eclipse. In the month of March, the new moon may occur here or here. In both cases, we are going to have eclipses. Here, it may be a partial eclipse. Here, because it is exactly on the node, it may be a total eclipse. This limiting angle of 18 degrees is what decides the type of eclipse. If it is far from the node, it will be only a partial eclipse. It is exactly at the node, then it is a total eclipse. Depending on this angle of separation, we have different types of eclipses. This animation shows the same effect. This is the node. If the eclipse occurs here, it is going to be partial, as is seen here. And if it is nearer to the node, you will have a total eclipse. The extent of partial phase is decided by this angular separation.